You've created your form, and now you're like, all right, how do I access that form? How do I embed that form? How do I place it into a dashboard? Maybe you want to turn it into a QR code so anyone who scans that code will be directly taken to that form. Well, today I'm going to show you what to do with your form after you've created it. Let's dive in. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to our forms. In order to do that, I'm just going to go to any sheet that has a form, and you're just going to go up here to the top left where it says Forms. You're going to click on Forms, and we're going to go to Manage Forms. Now, if you have not created a form before, you're actually going to go here, and I have a separate video on how to create forms. You can click on the card on the top left or in the link in my bio below for this video for creating forms. But today we're going to look at how to manage a form, how to embed a form. So we're going to go ahead and click Manage Forms. And then instead of clicking right into the form, when I take my mouse and I hover it over the form, you notice these three options appear right here. Well, the second option, this little keychain look here, if you click on this, you're going to copy the form URL. Right here, copy to my clipboard. So right now, it's copied to my clipboard, the URL. So if I just went to a random Google browse, and up here, I went ahead and just pasted in the URL I just copied. Again, I just went here and clicked on this, copied my clipboard, went up here, just pasted it in. Click enter. It's going to pull up that form. Alright, so that's all well and dandy, but Justin, how do I add it to a dashboard? Well, let's go ahead and go to this dashboard right here. It's ready for a form. So let's go ahead and add a widget. The first thing we're going to do is go up here to the top left on a dashboard and click edit. Then we're going to click edit dashboard. Click edit again. And we're going to go down where it says add widget. We're going to go all the way down here to the second last one here where it says web content. We're going to click on this. We're going to click add content. And then right here, we're going to go ahead and paste it in just like we did before. Click apply. And there it is right there. Let's go and turn the title off. All right, let's go ahead and shrink this down a little bit. Let's drag this up. Open this up a little bit, like so. And let's go ahead and click save, top right. All right, now on the dashboard here, I can actually fill out the form without leaving the dashboard. Choose the name, choose the client, and choose the address. Put in the phone number. Let's do 25. I can do start date. I can even add files right into the form without leaving the dashboard. There we go. I can click submit. And it processed the form without me even ever having to leave the dashboard. And one setting you will want to do on your form, if you're going to embed your form onto a dashboard like we just did, is you're going to want to go to, when you go to manage your forms, click forms, manage forms, click into the form. You're going up here in the middle where it says settings. And by default, it's going to display a confirmation message, but you don't want to do that. You don't want to display that confirmation message. You want to change the setting to reload the same form for another entry. And you're going to click save. And then after that, when you go to the dashboard here and you fill out a form and you submit it and click saves, it automatically reloads a brand new form for you. Hey guys, real quick, if you're finding this helpful so far, I've actually created a free user guide. It's a PDF that'll be sent right to your inbox that gives you the top 32 functions that are the most successful within Smartsheet. I tell you what they are, I show you a brief description how to use them, and what instances to use them for. Again, it's a free PDF guide, it's one sheet, it's all yours. I created it just for you. Just click in the bio below and it's yours. All right, let's get back to this video. All right, next we're going to go ahead and take the same form and we're going to go ahead and embed it in a QR code. Now there's a lot of different places that can generate a QR code for you. A lot of them you have to pay for. Well, I found one that I've used for years that is absolutely free. I don't get any money for it. There's no affiliate link or anything like that. It's literally just a free QR code, and it's called QR Code Monkey. So let's go to Google here. We're just going to go ahead and type in literally QR Code Monkey. Go down here with the green monkey face. Used it for years, and when you create a QR code here, it lasts forever. There is no time limit on it. So all we're going to do is right here in the first option here, by default, URL, you're just going to click Enter Content. We're going to go ahead and remove this. Let's go ahead and go to our form. Grab that URL link again. I'm just going to click it here. Automatically copy to my clipboard. Go to QR Code Monkey and just paste it in. And you can mess with the colors if you want, unless you really know what you're doing. I recommend not doing that because you don't want your colors. You want your colors to have a lot of contrast. If not, phones sometimes can't pick up the QR code. So I'm just going to leave it as is, and I'm literally just going to click Create QR Code. Boom. Now, if you're watching this on your computer, if you pull up your phone right now and scan that QR code, it will literally pull up that form that we were just testing out and using. And feel free to scan it and test it out. All right, so now I created my QR code. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to click Download PNG. I'm going to give you a quick ad. Don't need to click on it. Just let it generate and do its thing. Once this is done, then I'm going to click the X. All right, it's done. Click the X. Go down here to my QR code that automatically went to my download folder. And there it is. Now you can print this out. You can put it on a t-shirt. You can put it on the back of a card. I've actually used QR codes for smart sheet forms during COVID a few years ago. And it was for an entire convention where that QR code was embedded on the back of every single badge of hundreds of people that were going in and out of that convention every day. All right, so we learned how to embed it onto your dashboard. We learned how to create a QR code with one, and just how to simply drop it in to a Google URL link. All right, you guys, that is it. Take care, and God bless.